Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by scraping away loose food with a non-metal spatula because metal can scratch the surface. Next, pour in hot water until the burnt area is covered and add 1-2 tablespoons of dish soap. This creates surfactants that lift grease. Let the pan soak for 15 to 30 minutes so steam and the soap soften residue. Once done, drain carefully, then test with a soft sponge. If bits still cling, don't scrub hard yet. Move to the next cleaning phase. You now scrub gently with a non-abrasive pad using circular strokes to avoid scratching. Pressure, not force, removes loosened grime. If residue remains, deglaze. Pour 1/2 cup white vinegar and 1/2 cup water. Heat until simmering for 2 to 3 minutes. The acid lifts carbon and makes it float. For stubborn patches, make a baking soda paste, apply, and wait about 10 minutes. Baking soda reacts mildly and helps scrub without damage. After you finish by rinsing thoroughly with hot water and drying immediately with a soft towel to prevent water spots and streaks. If the stainless looks dull or food starts to cling, rub a thin coat of about 1 teaspoon of oil and buff. This helps restore a slight protective sheen. Make sure to store dry. If stains persist, try a cream cleanser designed for stainless. Avoid steel wool or harsh metal pads because they can create pits. If discoloration remains, repeat mild treatments rather than aggressive scrubbing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.